Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Halloween Godzilla Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Halloween Godzilla Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving my paper a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, give it another fold so it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin with Godzilla's nose. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to come up to here. And then we'll do the same thing over here. Let's just come up and in. Next, let's make a little line that's going to come up and down. And same thing here, little line's going to come up and down. Then we're just going to make a line across that connects. We're going to make a little line that's going to go down and back up for the nostrils, and same thing here, down and back up. Then just go ahead and color those in. Now, starting here, let's draw a line that's just going to come down and up here. And same thing here, we're just going to go down and then we're going to come up. For the eyes, we're just going to draw a line that's going to go down and up to make an eyeball. And same thing here, down and then up. We're going to curve some lines down on each side. And we're going to make a line that comes out on each side. Next, right here, I'm going to make a little bump and a little bump over here. And then we're just going to make a line that comes up towards the top of our paper. Then I'm just going to make a line down and a line down or up there. Next, we're going to bring this line out and in, and same thing here, just bring this out and in. And then we're just going to bring this line down, and we're going to bring this line down. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. We're going to come over and then up. And then we're going to make this line come across here. It's going to kind of look like his mouth, but it's going to end up turning into a little part of his lip. I'm going to bring this line down and in, and same thing here, bring it down and in. Same thing here, down and in, and then we'll do that over here again. Just kind of go down, and then down here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down, and then I'll make a line that's going to curve down here. And then we're going to make a line that's going to come to kind of a point and then back. Just kind of make this come to a point and back. And we'll do a little line here and a little line here. Then I'm going to put another line underneath each eye. And I'm going to put a little line over here on each side. Now I'm going to put a couple little spikes on here. So I'm going to make a line that's going to go up and down, up and down. We're going to curve it around. And then we'll make one that's just going to come up here. We're going to curve and go up. Then we're going to make a couple little lines that go across here. Next, let's put a couple down here. So I'm going to make a couple little points here. And then we're going to make one that goes right to the fold. And we're going to bring it to here. And then a couple more here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we open it up, we have two parts of our Godzilla, the top and the bottom. So the first thing we want to do is let's draw this line down on each side. Then we're going to bring this line across here and connect it. Same thing here. We're going to bring this line up. Let's just go over and then connect it. Then we're going to make some teeth. Let's make a big one here, and then we're going to make some smaller ones right across here, and then another big one. Same thing here, big one here, a couple smaller ones in the middle, and then another big one. Now, right across here, we're going to write the word Halloween, so we're going to make this nice and big. So let's start off by making our letter H. So we're just going to make a big letter H here. So we're just going to draw out our H. And I'm going to do this a little bit faster. So if I make these letters too fast, you can always slow it down or pause it to catch up. Next, we're going to make the A. So we're just going to draw our A. And I'm going to make it kind of look like it's behind there a little bit. We're going to make the L. Then we're going to make another letter L. We're going to draw the O. Let's make the W. We're going to put an E right over here. Do another one here. And then we're going to make the N. Kind of make it look like it's behind there. And then right up here, we're just going to write the word happy, just in regular letters. So we're just going to put happy right up here. Now let's put a couple little like fun things kind of like around here. So let's do like a little ghost. So let's just make a little line that's going to kind of curve up and down. Then we're just going to make like a little wavy line up here. We'll do a couple little dots for eyes, and then a little happy ghost mouth right there. Then let's do like a little pumpkin. We'll just start right here, and we're just going to make a little bump here. We'll make one here, and then one here to connect it. Give it a little stem, and then we'll make a face. You can do any type of face. I'm just going to do the simple triangle eyes on here, and then just a little smiley mouth for our little jack-o'-lantern pumpkin here. We can do like a little spider web over here. I'm just going to make 1, 2, and then 3 little lines coming off our H. And then we'll just make some little sad faces to connect it. And then we can make like a little spider kind of like over here. We'll just make a little string, we'll color in a dot, and then we'll just put 8 legs on our spider. Over here we can make like a little skull flying out. So we can draw a little circle shape. We can do a couple little bumps. And then we can color in 2 big ovals for the eyes. And a little dot for the nose. Then we can also do a little candy corn shape here. Just kind of make like a round triangle. And we'll do a curve here and a curve here. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to kind of put a little border around here. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to make some big zigzag lines that just kind of go all the way around all of our fun details here. And I'm going to bring them down to the mouth. And we're just going to kind of put these all the way around. We're going to get a little bit close there. And we're going to bring these all the way back up to Godzilla's mouth. Then I'm just going to connect this down and connect this down. We'll connect this up and we will connect this up. And then let's just go ahead and kind of make these spikes connect up to there. And then I think down here where it's kind of missing something. So let's put like a little bat right here. So I'm just going to go and just kind of color in a little black dot. I want to make 2 little ears on here. Then we're going to make a line that comes up and down on each side. Then we're just going to make a little zigzag line to connect it. And we can just color this in for our little bat. Make this area a little bit bigger. And then I think that'll just add a little bit of extra onto our drawing. And there you go. There is our fun little Happy Halloween Godzilla Surprise Fold. So when it's all folded up, we just got Godzilla looking pretty angry. And then when we open it, he is saying Happy Halloween. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.